Are you searching for the best oscilloscope? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best oscilloscope in 2024, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. FNIRSI 14D Digital Oscilloscope. FNIRSI 14D is a 2-in-1 oscilloscope and signal generator. The real-time sampling rate is 1 GSA/s, and with 100 MHz, 2 analog bandwidth, with 7-inch TFT LCD display screen. The built-in high-voltage protecting module can tolerate up to 400 volts continuous voltage, without worrying about the oscilloscope burning accident caused by the probe not moving to 10x gear. Built-in DDS function signal generator, and the industry's original chopping output at 2.5. All signal frequency step is 1 Hz. Support 14 kinds of standard function signal and a customizable chopping signal. Chopping for sure. The output device intercepts part or the whole part of the complex signals, measured by the oscilloscope, as the output signal of the signal generator, which can store up to 1,000 customized cutoff signals. Come on and try it. It will not let you down. Features: built-in DDS signal generator, support 12 kinds of function signal. Capture output signal function, which can store up to 1,000 capture signals. Targeted high intelligent decoding algorithm. The encoder life is infinite, and intelligent anti-burn function. 1x can withstand up to 400 volts withstand voltage. With 100 MHz 2 analog bandwidth and at 1 GSSA sampling rate, 1x equals 5 MHz, 10x equals 100 MHz. Fully fit 7-inch 800/480 resolution color TFT LCD display with bright colors and high contrast. High measurement voltage range. 1x can measure 0 to 40 volts. 10x can measure 0 to 400 volts. Up to 12 parameters measurement: VPP, Vmax, Vmin, VRMS, frequent, duty, time plus, time period. Cursor measurement function. It is convenient to manually measure the period and frequency and voltage. Complete triggering function: single, normal, automatic. And at any time, the waveform display, pause function, is frozen. Equipped with high-efficiency 1-button auto and 1-button waveform storage and screenshot function. Built-in 1 GB storage space can store up to 1,000 screenshot, plus 1,000 sets, waveform data. Powerful Waveform Picture Manager supports thumbnail browsing, viewing, detailed viewing, page turning, deletion, and waveform zooming in, zooming out, moving, etc. Equipped with a USB interface, which can be connected to a computer to share its screenshots with the computer, which is convenient for secondary analysis. Lysage's figures graphic display function can be used to determine the amplitude, frequency, and phase contrast of 2 groups of signals. FFT display function can analyze the spectral characteristics of the signal. Memory technology. Waveform refresh screen does not flicker. With the screen brightness adjustment function and background grid brightness adjustment function. Also easy to carry.